Hello everyone. The snow has started. Look how beautiful. That's one thing about snow. It is so gorgeous. My mouth is feeling a little froze. Oh, yes, snow is beautiful. Right, Pickles? He is having so much fun in the snow. Are you having fun, Pickles? Oh, I hope everyone's having a good day. Pickles! Look at the branches are loaded. So pretty. Oh, I'm already tired from shoveling. There's the driveway. Not even a track mark. Fresh fallen snow all over the branches. So pretty. Oh, yes, it is pretty. Look at these. Pickles, come. Come. Ah, I love this. There you are. Pickles. Good boy. Are you a good boy, Pickles? Yeah, do you like the snow? Come here. Come here. Good boy. There you are. Good boy. Ah, that's his first winter. Yes, and I've thrown snowballs at him. He loves that. We've been shoveling already. He loves that. Right, Pickles? Do you love the snow? There you are. He's such a cutie. And mischievous. Oh my goodness. Yes, because you're a puppy. Anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'm all kind of fogging up here. I got snow all over my glasses. Have a wonderful day. I miss you all. Bye. Bye-bye.